It's not the shadow of the cross that's over your life. It's the shadow of your shame that's over your life. And it's over your future. Some of you are stressed about your future. Can I be a good spouse? Can I be a good parent? Can I raise a family the way God wants me to? Because of this big shadow of shame that's over your life. And tonight, God is wanting you to see, come on, just get some perspective. Yes, the failure is real. Yes, your past is real. Yes, what happened is real. But put it in perspective to what God has done for you. Put it in perspective to the magnitude of the grace of God that has been poured out for you.